Hey guys, it's Vickie Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today, I'm so excited. Something came last night and I want to share it with you. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's my Cinderella castle warmer came. I had the warmer and the brick. I'm so excited, you guys. Who wants to see it? Oh, so if you like this video, which, I mean, how can you not like this video? Hello, give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. You guys, this is the big one. This is a large warmer. They called it the Walt Disney World 50th Anniversary Celebration Cinderella Castle. You guys, I'm so here for it. Before we open this though, I'm gonna make you wait just a bit, just a little bit. We're gonna talk about this. We're gonna talk about this right here. This brick. And it's called EARidescent. Iridescent. And I can actually smell it already. It smells amazing. And it's the 50th anniversary celebration. Let's look at the beautiful brick. See how it's like metallic? So pretty, right? It's this beautiful, like this beautiful color. And look at, this is iridescent inside. Hello, Scentsy stepping it up. This scent is amazing. So I got to smell it, and I am going to input that right here. Okay, so now I'm going to smell the iridescent scent, which is the 50th anniversary celebration scent. It's the one that they're releasing in brick form with the princess castles. So let's check it out. Oh. That one is to die for. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, so we're back. You guys, it smells amazing. I got to smell it warm, which you just saw, and it's delish. All right, so it has cedarwood, citrus, peony, and apple blossom, and it is absolutely amazing. It's so good. Okay, so these, you were able to buy the bundle or just the warmer. And I'm telling you guys, oh, amazing. Okay, so let's go through. This is such a big box. Okay, so let's open it. I have not opened this yet, so I am excited because they always put pretty artwork on the inside. So you guys are going to see it when I see it. Okay, so right now it just says the world's most magical celebration. Let's see if anything is in the top. There is. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, I'm excited. I'm so excited. Okay, how cute is that? You guys can barely see me, but that's all right because it's not about me. It's Mickey and Minnie Mouse in front of the castle. And this castle is going to look exactly like this castle. And pretty soon we're going to be getting these Scentsy buddies, the 50th anniversary Scentsy buddies. How stinking cute is that? So excited. I'm so excited. All right. So now let's open up the dish. All right, you guys. Now what I love about this is it's iridescent. Look at that. Is that the prettiest? Isn't that pretty? Okay, so I love that. I love that. I'm so excited, you guys. All right. All right. Here she is. I'm so excited. All right. She's so pretty, you guys. All right, let's see. And I don't know if you noticed, but I have a whole collection of Disney shirts because we like to go to Disney. I live in the LA area, so we go to Disneyland a lot. And then I went to Disney World on a trip that I earned with Scentsy. So let's see. No, Dakota, none of this is for you, buddy. Everything's for him. All right. So, okay, what size bulb? Feels like a 20 water. Feels like a 20. Let's see. I'll show you the warmer in a second. We're going to really check out this warmer. Yes, it is a 20 watt bulb. Okay, so we have a 20 watt bulb. Okay. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and put the bulb in first, and then I'll start showing you the castle. You guys ready? Look at that. Like, it has the 50th right there. Look at that, you guys. It's literally spectacular. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It is so, so pretty. Now, this is like a really nerdy Scentsy thing right now, but I never thought I'd see the word Scentsy on a castle warmer, and I've always wanted it. You guys, it's so pretty. It is so pretty. Look at the front. Oh my gosh. All right, so now we're going to plug her in because she's just, oh my gosh. Like, I kind of feel emotional right now. Like, I've wanted this for so long. And, yeah, so I'm excited. Hold on, let's get this a little bit closer without pulling my whole display down. Let's try doing it like that without tearing up my display. Okay, so we're going to put the dish in. You guys ready? Okay. Let me pick her up. God, this is a beautiful, oh my God, it's the prettiest thing I've ever seen. 1, 2, and 3. You guys. You guys. Somebody come get your girl because I'm about to lose my mind. Hold on, let's see if we can get that to show. Hold on. There we go. Isn't that gorgeous? You guys. She's so pretty. Oh, you're so pretty. And I love the way it looks right there. Like, I just love it. What do you guys think? All right, so let's talk about this a little bit. So we had a pre-sale. And if you missed the pre-sale, send me an email. Okay, if you missed the pre-sale and you would like one, send me an email, which is in the description of the video. So check it out. Not saying, just saying, but I'm saying you need one of these. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. I enjoyed my video. And I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. Vickie, get it together. Hope you're having a wonderful weekend. Have a nice long weekend. You guys, I can't speak. I'm so excited. And I will talk to you later. Bye.